Firstly, select the city, then enter the pickup location. You can either choose current location or enter it manually. Afterwards, you have to enter the drop-off location. The drop-off location process will be same as that of the pickup location. So here I am typing my address. So I have to write my complete address. Then I will hit the save and continue button. If I want to change, I can change it by clicking on the change button. So let's click on the next step. So here sender details will be auto fetched. Now I have to choose the category and fill in the basic info like weight or instruction. So here are two type of delivery options, schedule or ASAP. So I will be going with the ASAP one and select the vehicle type bike. So here I will select the image of the item which is to be delivered to the recipient. So here I'm selecting the image. The recipient details like name, his email and phone number. After filling out the phone number, I will hit on the continue button. So this is basically my order summary. So if I want to apply a coupon, I will apply it by clicking on apply coupon. So I can make payment type either cash on delivery or card. Moving on to the driver app, the orders will be assigned automatically to the driver. He will have the option either to accept or reject the order. Let's say the driver has accepted the order here. The order details will be displayed. When the driver will be arrived at pickup, he has to hit on the arrived at pickup button. And then on the next screen you see enter OTP and image option. By filling in those, the pickup button will be enabled. So here the entered OTP will be given by the sender to the driver, and the driver has to click on the image of the item. So the same process will go for the when driver arrives at the drop-off location. He will have to fill in the OTP received from the recipient and then has to upload the image. So afterwards filling the OTP and uploading the image, the drop-off button will be enabled. It is delivered button here. If the amount is cashed payment, the driver will click on the COD receipt checkbox and then either he can view his earnings or can continue. Now moving on to the user app again. Here you can see the pop-up, the rating pop-up. So the user can rate the driver, give 5 or 3 or 2 star depending upon the delivery, add some comments. If it was really good, he can add the delivery tip and continue. In the dashboard, you get a bird's eye view of all your important information, and this can be totally customized according to your requirements. So here let me hit on the pickup and delivery tab and I can get the information about my invoices and the order info. Moving on to the manage merchant, this is again totally business specific. If you are considering to tie up with some merchant, you can have the section and you can enter all the information regarding that merchant here. Moving on to the user section, I can view the list of the users. By clicking on the action button, I can even block or suspend the user. If I click on any username, let's say I have clicked on Lily Potter, I can view information of Lily and her pickup and drop of orders, whatsoever orders she has placed, and the order detail. Now let's move on to the role section. So admin can create a variety of roles that can be granted to the user. Moving on to the invoices, I can view the information of all the users. Basically the order information, the share, which driver has delivered the order, share detail, what is the driver share, what will be my share, etc. By clicking on the driver's name, I can view the driver's profile. So again, moving back. So in the driver section, you can view the list of the drivers who have been registered. If someone has resubmitted the documents, you can view it under the document change request. And if the driver has been freezed, admin have the privilege to reinstate it for some hours. In the order section, I can view the orders which have been placed by the user from which particular vendor, if you are considering to tie up with some merchant, or if I have pickup delivery order, I can view the senders and receivers detail. And if the driver has not been assigned, I can forcefully assign a driver. Moving on to manage coupon, I have the privilege to add some coupon. Again, the manage banner is totally specific. If you want to add some banner, you can create a banner by clicking on add banner. So this is basically the pickup and drop off settings. You can add a category, you can add vehicle type. Let me first show you to add a city. So from manage city, we are adding a city. Let's say I have added California city. Let's add fares for California city. Let me choose the city and then the service type. Let's say pickup and drop off. I will add here base fare, distance fare, waiting time fare, taxes, etc. And I will click on the save button after filling out all the information. So here, if user has cancelled the order, admin can initiate the refund by clicking on the refund button here. So moving on to service areas, let's say I have added a service area. So my pickup and delivery will be only possible in this particular service area. I can add multiple service area, by the way. So these are the payouts. Basically admin have payout to driver which day and when.